Namaste parents, hope you all are safe at home. I am Nisha Subramanian, working in SNHOD for Primary Department in Mangala Vidya Mandira, Mangala Shikshana Samiti. At the outset, we would like to thank each and every parent who has supported and cooperated us to complete the last academic, that is 2021, with a great success. Today, I am here to share the journey, what we have done together in a nutshell. If we just rewind our life a few years back, that is probably December 2019, we had a wonderful life. The life was completely normal. The students were coming to school and we were eagerly waiting for 2020 with lots of hopes and expectation. And at the same time, we have conducted the exams also, and the report card has been issued, and we thought of planning the new academic. By the time, in the month of March, the things have been changed. The coronavirus has affected the entire world, and we started listening some new words, that is home quarantine, isolation, lockdown, containment zone, and we were not prepared for that thing. But somehow the entire world economy has come down and the relationship has got stressed out. But it is always said, a child will never stop learning and a teacher will never stop teaching. We started working on that. The students were there at home and we ourselves were also there at home. The main focus was how to reach our students. Then we started doing a survey. Our intention is the students can't come to school because of the lockdown and even we are stuck at home. So we started analyzing. We just got to know, we started doing the survey wherein we got to know many of the parents are having economical issues. If you can see, they are having TV at home but they are away from mobile. In case if they are having mobile, there won't be a smartphone. And if smartphone is there, internet connection won't be available. If all the things are there, there will be only one device, and that device is being with the father and who is going for a work. So the main challenge what we faced at that time is how to get connected to the students. So initially what we did, we thought it's other schools, other institutions have started with the online classes. We never thought like that. We thought it's okay, let the other institutions start how they want it. We just thought about our kids and we have come up with some different kind of concept. Of course it was virtual only, but different kind of concept. Initially in the month of May, we started forming our new WhatsApp group wherein we just posted the foundation classes worksheet. So somewhere we felt we got connected with the students. Then after that, at least 4 to 5 minutes video we started uploading in the same WhatsApp group wherein the teachers started showing their faces, because somewhere the students were missing the teachers. So we need to present ourselves in front of our students and the connectivity had happened. Later on, what we did, we just made a video of 10 to 15 minutes and based on the syllabus, and we started uploading it in the WhatsApp group. So we started making pre-recorded videos wherein we thought even though there is one device at home, the child will not be deprived from education. The child can watch the pre-recorded videos whenever he or she want. It is like 24/7. Even if a child want to repeatedly see the video, they can just go through it. That was the intention we had it. Somewhere the academy got started and we become successful to take the school to our students' home. Then later on, we thought, of course, we don't have any issues right now. Our students are set with the academic. We just did the survey and we found there are many institutions who are not functioning because of some financial crisis. So we thought about those students because they are deprived from education. So what we did, our school, Mangala Vidya Mandira, has launched its own YouTube channel wherein we thought each and every student, each and every child, not only from India, outside the world, outside India, should be benefited from the education what we are providing to the students. So to our surprise, we just got to know almost we have crossed 1 lakh viewers in our YouTube channel, and at the same time 8,000 subscribers we got till this time. It was a immense pleasure to announce that the journey what we thought, the concept what we have launched of having a YouTube channel has become a great success. Later on, when we realized we got connected with the academic, so what about the co-curricular activities? Since we strongly believe in Panchmukhi Shikshana, that it is already connected with our curriculum, and Panchmukhi Shikshana means we just go with 5 aspects, that is emotional, physical, psychological, spiritual and intellectual. So what about that? So later on we started giving at least 3 to 4 co-curricular activities to our students, wherein we found to our surprise, like we got many young engineers on Engineers Days event. At the same time, we have seen while having a Diwali celebration, the students had made Deepam using the natural resources, that is they have made the Deepam by using cow dungs. That was really creativity from their end. Hats off to the parents who was completely involved in the child's education. We have extracted the creative side of our students while giving them the co-curricular activities. Even we have conducted PTM and also had a Google interaction in student interaction section in Google Form, and at the same time where our team members got engaged with our students and proved that education in today's era is not just limited to classroom or textbook. It is much more beyond that. It is limitless. Also, we have conducted exams and issued the report card also on time. So this was the short journey which I shared with you, because there are many parents who have admitted later on is not aware of the same. We are again back with the new academic, that is 21-22. Pandemic is still there, but this time also we need to stand together as a one by challenging the situation. Before concluding my talk, a very small message to everyone. As the world is going through crisis, be a responsible citizen. Don't waste food, as food has become extremely dear to all the lives in this complex situation. Also, I would like to inform our school has become isolation center for the needy, because we strongly believe in before receiving, we believe in giving. In the end, we would like to thank each and every parent, our management, our academic head and our team members, a successful journey with a great success. So we wish everyone to be safe at home and spread positivity. Thank you, parents.